My mom, I helped her since I was 5 years old. So each day she's gonna cook 10 dishes. That's when I learned the cooking from. The memory that stayed with me was the flavor, because the flavor at that time, the flavor was different from here. And I remember that it tastes really good, like everything even you buy from street store, it tastes different. When I taste the food, nowadays is lacking that type of flavor, and that was in my memory. Thai food has a very complex flavor. The depth of the flavor that Thai food can produce, because it's not just like one flavor, it's many layers. When Thai food done that perfectly, it can create like the good experience. I saw that a lot of people they have more interest in the Thai food, not only Thai people, and I saw that Westerner as well. It will create some more exciting things into the Thailand dining scene. This pork cheek, the main thing is about the sauce. So the sauce is come from the rare ingredients that they use a lot in the old Thai dishes. It has somsa, hairy fruit, eggplant, and the snake fruit. This in its own has their own aroma and their own taste. So when you combine together, it can create something very special.